Hey friends, my goal for today's video is to build an AI chatbot on WhatsApp in under 10 minutes using Whautomate platform. And if you're a business owner, you get a lot of inquiries, or you might be running ads and people are inquiring about your business, want to learn more about your business, and you don't have the time to reply to each and every question. This video is for you. You can set up an AI bot that understands your business, speaks your business language, and replies to your customer inquiries seamlessly on WhatsApp 24/7. Let's dive into the demo. First thing is you need to sign up with Whautomate. We offer 7-day free trial. You can go to whautomate.com and click on Get Started Free to sign up with the free trial account. We are currently running limited time offer, 50% off on your first 3 months of subscription. So whatever the price for this plan that you're choosing, you only have to pay 50% of it for the first 3 months. Do sign up and upgrade if you're interested. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Okay, I have signed up. The next step is to create a workspace. Workspace is sort of like a sub account within Whautomate account. If you have multiple different teams like marketing or sales or support, you can create multiple workspaces and give access to specific workspaces for specific users who work on that and connect different channels as well. So let me just create a workspace, give the category of the business, whatever that is for you. I will just update the address. So I'm happy with everything. I'm going to click on create workspace. Now that I've signed up, I need to verify my email. Let me do that. Now, once your email is verified, you can set up your account, and we do have a get started checklist as well. You can follow them through, and there are only 2 things that we are going to set up in this video. One is obviously you need to connect your WhatsApp number, and the second thing is OpenAI integration. They are the LLM provider, so we are going to use OpenAI LLM to be able to generate AI bot or generate AI responses as well. So let me just click on connect your channels, and I'm going to integrate with WhatsApp. So I'm going to use the embedded signup. So click on login with Facebook. And if you're not logged into Facebook, it might ask you to log into Facebook account. Since I'm already logged in with my account, so it's just asking me to continue. So I'm just going to continue. And if you don't have a Facebook business portfolio, it'll ask you to create one. So you can click on it and create. If not, you can select your portfolio that's already created. But if you're running ads or something, you might already have a portfolio. You can just use that. There are 2 options. One is you can bring a fresh number that's not already on WhatsApp, and you'll be using create a WhatsApp business account option. The second option is connect the WhatsApp business app. If you're already using WhatsApp business app, then you can select this option. Please note that not every number may be eligible. So if you're not eligible for a WhatsApp business app, obviously you can delete that WhatsApp account and then connect that number here as well. So I'm going to use my WhatsApp business app number. So I am going to put in the number. It's just giving me a warning, so I'm okay with that. And it's going to show me a QR code that I have to scan from my WhatsApp business app. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp business app, go to settings. You would have received a message from Facebook business as well. You can click on connect on that also, or under accounts as well. So I'm going to scan this QR code. So now this is connecting my WhatsApp business app onto this platform. It's taking up to 45 seconds. Yeah, it is connected. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, I'm going to click on finish. Now this will set up all the templates and everything within Whautomate account. Okay, everything is good. I can see the number connected and the status. And if you are a new user, you might get conversation limit of 250 if you verify your business. Obviously, you can follow this guide along to verify your business. Your number limit may increase up to 2,000 as well. So I'm happy with everything. The next thing is integrating with OpenAI. So you can go to integrations and you should see OpenAI as well. So you'll have to put in your own OpenAI keys. So you can go to platform.openai.com and you can create a new account as well. If you're already using ChatGPT, the same account can be used also. And you can go under settings and billing and add credits as well, because it's a paid feature. And depending on the model that you're using, there are models, GPT-4 series are all very cheap now. Obviously 5.4 is the latest one. If you want to use that, it might cost a little bit more, but I think for general FAQ bot, 4 series is also pretty good as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an API key. I am going to create a new secret key, call it as demo, create this. So all I need is this secret key. So I'm going to go in and put it in here, and I'm going to click on save. Yeah. Now OpenAI is configured. I will just refresh to confirm that as well. Yeah, I see the option to add vector store as well. Okay, now that we have connected OpenAI, the most important thing is customizing the AI bot to understand your business information and your business nuances and knowledge. And most of the LLMs are not trained with the latest information as of today, right? They are probably 6 months behind or 1 year behind, depending on the model that you're using. So it's better to give that knowledge base to OpenAI, and we use the concept called vector store. It's kind of a way for AI to store the knowledge base and retrieve that knowledge base easily that AI can understand. You can create the knowledge base from your website using some prompt like this. If you're using ChatGPT, you can just call it like create a knowledge base for Whautomate.com that enables AI bot to answer customer queries. So it will crawl the website and give you the knowledge base as well. So if you use Claude, you can use the same prompt and do that as well. I did create a knowledge base file earlier, so let me just show you that also. So this is kind of, our knowledge base based on the prompt that I just showed you that I've already created. So what I'm going to do is create a vector store and upload that information. Yeah, I'll create it. And once you create the vector store, you can add multiple files to give multiple knowledge bases as well. I've got the knowledge base here, so I'm just gonna on that and open. It's there. So I'm attaching that, and it is loaded. So if I go back, yeah, it is in progress. So probably once it's done, we are good to set up the AI bot as well. So now that our vector store is processed by OpenAI completely, you can always click on the refresh button to refresh to see the status, and I can see that it's completed, and I can click on it to view the file content as well. So I'm pretty happy with all these. Next step is to install the AI bot. So I'm going to go under communications, automations menu. I want to make sure there are no other bot installed on the Whautomate WhatsApp channel, which is good. So I can click on the add rule to install the customer service GPT bot as such on WhatsApp channel. Just to let you know, this is the one that I'm going to use for this demo, but obviously our platform offers quite a lot of extensive chatbot templates for different use cases, including appointment booking, class booking, or lead qualification, or even if you're running a WhatsApp commerce shop, you can install our template to sell directly on WhatsApp as well. So I'm going to go ahead and install this automation. It's installed, and I just want to explain the setup and also configure as well. So I'm going to open this. So all the automations on our platform works based on triggers. Triggers are like events that happen on our platform. In this instance, when somebody message on our WhatsApp number, so we want to react to it, which is what we are doing it using our actions. Yeah, so this is our AI powered action, but obviously if you want to use other actions, you can always click on add action and send predefined responses as well. That option is also available. Here the prompt in the AI response, it's a default prompt. It's good to get started with, but obviously if you want to customize, you can always go ahead and customize as well. So I want to change the workspace name that's used by default to my platform name, just so that it's used in the welcome message as well. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything else, and I'm going to go into the configuration. This is where you choose the model. By default 4.1 mini is used. Obviously it's one of the cheaper models, but obviously if you want to use the latest models, those options are also available, including 5.4, 5.4 mini, which is the recent ones that were launched probably several days ago. Yeah, so I'm happy with all other configuration. If I want to update all of these, I can go ahead and do that as well. Yeah. So next thing I want to do is built-in tools. I want to link the knowledge base that I uploaded to the bot. So I'm going to use this Whautomate knowledge here, which has one file. So I want to use that here. And we also offered other built-in tools within Whautomate, like if you want AI to update the notes of the contact, or tags or stages, all the other custom fields. You can get AI to do that as well using these tools. But if you want AI to also call external applications, integrate with other application, you can use the functions, which is kind of like tool call that can, call external applications as well using APIs too. Yeah, so I'm happy with everything. If you want to test it out, you can use the playground, but I'm directly going to test it on the WhatsApp itself. Yeah, I'm going to save this. I'm pretty happy with everything. Let's go to WhatsApp and test this number. So this is the number that we connected. So let's just message. So when I message hi there, I get a ping notification on the platform. There's a typing indicator as well. So I can go into the team inbox, all the conversations that are being received and sent, everything will be available on the team inbox. You can see them here as well, and you can go here and reply as well. So I get the reply, welcome to Whautomate, which is what we updated. So I'm going to ask, what is Whautomate? So this will use the knowledge base that we attached to the bot and generate a reply. Yeah, I can get the reply pretty perfectly based on what I uploaded. So let's ask a question and see if it's intelligent enough to reply. How can Whautomate help my clinic business? Yeah. So I expect it to, use the knowledge base and kind of, generate a response on how my clinic can use Whautomate for, and pretty amazed with that. Yeah. So yeah, patient engagement and clinic operations like appointment booking. We do integrate with Google Calendar, Google Meet, and Zoom. All of these are available. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with invoices, reminders, everything is all available on the platform. See, these are the kind of use cases, right? So probably, if somebody asks this question on my chat, I would have to, manually reply. So with this kind of AI bot, it kind of, automates the entire experience as well. I think that's pretty much what I wanted to show in this video. That's pretty much how you use Whautomate platform to set up an AI bot on WhatsApp channel. I hope you enjoyed the demo and you find it useful. If you want to try out our platform, the link is in the description. Please sign up for a 7-day free trial and try out the platform. And if you want to upgrade, you can utilize the 50% off current promotion that's going on. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, leave them in the comments or reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to assist you. And please do like and share our video, and that's how we grow as well. Thank you very much.